Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to log out iCloud from iPhone 16. To log out the Apple account, go to Settings, then click on your Apple account on the top, and then scroll down, click on Sign Out, and then you need to enter your Apple account password. Then tap on Turn Off. Then wait a moment. Now you get a prompt if you want to keep a copy of your data on this iPhone, and you have the data that was previously stored on iCloud. So it's gonna be contacts, health, keychain, Safari, and wallet, tickets, and passes. I'm not gonna check any of those. Just gonna click on sign out, and now it's removing the iCloud data from my iPhone. And now I'm signed out. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.